अरे सोच तो सही, क्या हैंडसम बच्चे होंगे हमारे, मेरे गुड लुक्स और मेरी अकल।
Namaste to all the beautiful people. I'm Sai and you guys are watching Real Sai Reactions, and it's great to see you guys back on my channel. And today we are diving into the world of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, a film that promises to whisk us away on an unforgettable adventure of love, friendship and self-discovery. But before we dive into Ye Jawani Hai Diwani trailer, if you enjoy our reactions and discussions, be sure to explore our library of trailer reactions where we have dissected some of the most exciting films in cinema. So buckle up because this is not just a movie, it's an accelerating journey through the essence of youth and we are about to experience every heartbeat of it.
22 तक पढ़ाई, 25 पे नौकरी, 26 पे छोकरी, 30 पे बच्चे, 60 पे रिटायरमेंट और फिर मौत का इंतजार। ऐसी घिसी पिटी लाइफ थोड़ी जीना चाहता हूँ मैं।
Excuse me? Sorry, मैं लेट हूँ।
Oh my god, Ranveer is so cute here.
आयशा, राइट? हम तानिया की पार्टी में मिले थे।
नैना तलवार,
गीतांजलि की काजल।
मॉडर्न स्कूल, सेम बैच।
ओ यार, स्कॉलर नैना, इस चश्मे को कैसे भूल सकता हूँ मैं?
Oh my god, he's flirting.
तू मेरा पीछा तो नहीं कर रही?
शट अप अदिति। इसकी तो फैंटेसी है कि दुनिया की सारी लड़कियां इसका पीछा करें।
पान में पुदीना देखा, नाक का नागिना देखा, चिकनी चमेली देखी, चिकना कमीना देखा, चांदनी चिदर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा।
शादी इज दाल चावल फॉर 50 साल टिल यू डाई। अरे लाइफ में थोड़ा बहुत कीमा पाव, टंगड़ी कबाब, हाका नूडल भी होना चाहिए ना।
इस पे भूत कोई शक, क्या बुरा क्या भला है, पकड़ के खड़ा है कमबख्त।
अरे सोच तो सही, क्या हैंडसम बच्चे होंगे हमारे, मेरे गुड लुक्स और मेरी अकल।
क्या चाहती हो लाइफ से बनी?
रफ्तार, पागलपन, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता। तू राइट नहीं है नैना, बस मुझसे बहुत अलग है।
जानती हूँ।
सीटी साड़ी जोड़ी शराबी हो गई, जीन्स पहन के तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की बातें हो गई, ऐसा माना हवा भी हो गई, शादी हो गई।
तुम समझते क्यों नहीं कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ 2 मिनट और रही तो
क्या नैना?
मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर से।
Alright, in the trailer we get to see the main character Bunny, played by Ranbir Kapoor, is shown as an adventurous and a free-spirited person, and he's all about exploring the world and living his life to the fullest. And then there's Naina, played by Deepika Padukone, who's more reserved and studious. She's looking for excitement and a break from her usual routine. And then they are meeting at the train station, and their interactions after that lay the foundation for an interesting story. And also it gives us a glimpse of the characters' lives beginning with their time as students when they build strong friendships with a diverse group of friends. And as the story progresses, it touches on different themes like education, career goals, meaning of love, and societal expectation to settle down. And the contrast between Bunny's adventurous nature and Naina's wish for a change creates an interesting dynamic that keeps the audience interested. And also a notable aspect of the trailer is how it styles various emotions in the audience. It leads us to moments of happiness, laughter, self-reflection, and deep insights. And the film's examination of friendship, self-development, and the chase for dreams is something that people of all ages can relate to. And also, from a visual perspective, the film is a delight. It features remarkable cinematography that showcases the beauty of different places the characters travel. And then talking about the music, it adds richness and emotions to the storytelling, making it a vital part of what makes the film so appealing. Alright folks, so as the curtains fall on our adventure through Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, it's clear that this film is a vibrant mosaic of life's precious moments. And it's a reminder that the greatest adventures often begin where we least expect them. And also sometimes all you need is a little bit of craziness to truly embrace our youth. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, in the grand story of life, the most exciting chapters are still unwritten. So until we meet again, stay Divana and keep living your Jawani to the fullest.